Kaugnay po ng pagbabago ng liderato ng Philippine National Police o PNP. Makakausap po natin ngayon ang bagong hepe ng pambansang pulisya na si Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, General Nartates. Diane Kirer po ito ng Ulat Bayan ng PTV4.
Yes, magandang gabi, magandang hapon, Diane Carrera, lalo na sa ating tagapakinig.
Alright, well, General Nartates, of course, congratulations po ang aming pong pagbati po sa inyo bilang pagkakatalaga po ninyo bilang hepe ng Philippine National Police. Well, marami po yung nagulat dito po sa biglaang pagpapalit ng liderato. Pero on your part po, General, ano po ang nangyari? Ito po ba ay biglaan pong naibalita sa inyo? At ano po ang inyong pakiramdam na kayo na po ang hepe ngayon ng PNP, sir?
Well, of course, the Philippine National Police is a dynamic organization, a bureau under the one department. Ito po yung DILG. At since the PNP was created in 1991 by virtue of Republic Act 6975, ay patuloy po tayong nagbabago. Meron po tayong performance governance system, meron po tayong program management office para matanggal po. Nandyan po lahat ng mga programa. And nabigla rin ako. I was in Pagadian in my capacity as the Area Police Command Western Mindanao Commander po doon, and I received a call from our SILB to proceed to Krame. So nabigla din po tayo. Well, as usual, as a professional member of the Philippine National Police, kailangan po nating sumunod at yun na nga po, nagkaroon po ng turnover.
Alright. Well, General Nartates, ano po yung mga polisiya at programa na ipatutupad po ninyo sa PNP ngayong kayo na po ang hepe ng Philippine National Police, sir?
Well, I've been since junior officers hanggang senior officer na po tayo. I've been with the platoon leader sa isang mobile company. I've been a junior, I've been a senior officer, middle grade officer hanggang naging senior. With different position po. For example, I was the regional director of NCRPO, regional director of Calabarzon, a director of National Support Unit, and I've been with the staff. And nandyan na po ang ating mga programa. Name it. We have our police operations through enhanced management police operations, including na po yung reaction, preventive and reactive. That is the conduct of patrol and the conduct of investigation to ensure that these cases that transpire masolba po. And that is for operation, no? At marami pa, including the management of our resources, whether it's per our personnel, our logistics, and the finances. So yan po ang mga kailangan natin. And we have a lot of action plans and actually operational plan. Nandiyan na po lahat eh. We'll just improve, we'll just redraft, and we'll see to it that this, kung ano yung hindi na kailangan, kailangan natin baguhin. So, yan po yan.
General Nartates, mayroon po bang directive na sa inyo ang ating pong mahal na Pangulo?
Well, the directive was simple to maintain peace and order, ensure that there will be a reduction of crime, and this effort by the Philippine National Police should be felt no less than by the community. Kahit na gaano kaganda pa ang ginawa, if you're not coordinating or if you are not in partnership of this community, wala pong magandang ipapatulot ang ating ginagawa. And so, the partnership, it is very important and paramount.
Well, General, magkakaroon rin po ba ng balasahan sa PNP? At ano po, sir, yung mangyayari dun sa reshuffle na ipinatupad ni General Torre?
Yung balasahan and or placement, from time to time, nangyayari naman po yan. At I will see to it that kung sino yung performing, they will take their post and even go higher position or higher responsibility. And for those cut short of the performance, well, turuan natin sila kung paano gawin. If hindi kaya, and then kailangan natin mag-ikot. It's a matter of managing our personnel to each according to their accounts.
Well, General Natates, diretsahang tanong po para sa inyo. Mayroon po ba kayong hidwaan o di pagkakaunawa ni General Torre at kayo po ba ay nagkausap na since this announcement, sir?
Hindi pa kami nagkakausap. Kaninang turnover, wala po siya. And so, I just assumed because I was ordered to assume. And so, yun po nangyari. Ang organization po natin ay professional. When I was issued an order going to APC, tumalima ako at sinunod natin. So, lahat naman po sumusunod.
Well, nabanggit nyo na rin po na meron po kayong mga ilang ipatutupad na naumpisahan po ni General Torre. I understand like the 5-minute response. Ano pa po yung inyo pong mga ipagpapatuloy na mga programa? Ngayon pong kayo na yung PNP chief, sir.
Well, it is encompassing already. When we say we will improve or employ our enhanced managing police operations, nandiyan na po lahat. Lahat na po ng klase ng operations, whether patrol, mobile patrol, foot patrol, and visibility in the streets, in the community. Nandiyan po lahat, including the reaction on any cases na mangyari like the occurrence of crime. And this 5 minutes response is only part of this patrol and only part of this investigation. So, yun po yun. So, we will on a holistic approach yun po ang ibig po sabihin nun. And a lot of more na ating re-revisahin. Kaya tulad ng our security plan for major activities, nandiyan na po yan. Meron po tayong Christmas holiday, meron tayong balik eskwela, meron po tayong November 1 or All Souls Day, All Saints Day. Meron tayong the rest of the holiday season. At meron mga special occasion like for the conduct of PIBA when I was in NCRPO, like the Black Nazarene of Manila, Quiapo po, like the SONA and other activities na national or international ang nangyari dito. Meron na po tayong mga template dyan. We will just implement that kung kailangan improve and then we will improve. In the same way, we have also our vital installations that we need to secure. Tingnan po natin kung kailangan improve yung security. Well, one of that is of course is yung security ng Metro Manila. We will ensure that Metro Manila is safe and the rest of the country. Yun po ang security plan. At marami pa po. Nandun na po lahat yan.
Well, panghuli na lamang po, General Natates, ano po ang mensahe po ninyo sa ating pong mga kapulisan at ganoon na rin po sa ating mga kababayan ngayon na po ang namumuno ng Philippine National Police, sir?
When I took the flag, when I took the symbol, I will discharge my function to the best of my ability. And I will ensure that every policeman on the street, up to the officers at sa mga namumuno at all levels, ay ating tuturuan, ating i-mentor, at naka-align po kung ano yung programa na ating ipapatutupad, lalong-lalo na ang instruction ng ating presidente at ng authority, at lalong-lalo na ng ating community.
Well, on that note, again, congratulations po sa inyo at maraming salamat ang ating pong bagong PNP Chief, General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. Marami pong salamat, sir, and congratulations again.